So you might be in a situation where for some reason your AirPods are just not working within iOS 27. Now there's a couple things that can kind of be happening here. Number one, the first thing to remember here is that within iOS 27 and within really any iPhone for the most part, you first want to double check that your AirPods are connected to your particular device. So in this case, I have my iPhone that's on iOS 27 right over here. And if you have a battery widget, you'll be able to see the batteries, the AirPods being connected. Now, within your settings application, you'll have this little Bluetooth option. Tap on Bluetooth, and you just want to make sure that you see your AirPods here. A majority of the times, if you're running into any real big problems, just double checking your particular, AirPod settings here and just making sure that they're connected can be one of the easiest ways to fix this problem. Now, another thing, if that's not working, is to go through and try repairing or closing the case of your AirPods and opening them back up. Sometimes just closing and opening up the case can sometimes just trigger something. You also want to just make sure that within your case themselves, there's not any issues. Sometimes the case you're having can also cause some issues too, so just clear through, make sure there's no problems within the case. That's another one of those types of things I'd probably recommend trying to avoid. Now, if things are really not working out, the next thing I'd probably recommend doing is to just go through and just seeing if within your AirPods themselves, if you can go through and repair them. So within your AirPod settings, try removing these AirPods and then connecting them back in, or even turning off your Bluetooth, turning back on your Bluetooth, and you want to see if that ends up fixing the problem too. So those are kind of the main ways to go and fix the problems for the most part. If you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that will mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.